to you, doctor. You're the only person whom I live for. There was nobody who cared to help me. Cast aside, I was left alone to die, till the day you came and took me away. Doctor, I owe you my life. Under your care everything was plentiful. Soon I found myself well-fed and beautiful, though I feared one day it would come to an end. Doctor, thank you for sparing me once again. Perhaps I was disliked by your family, but that really was of no concern to me. Just tell me anything that I need to